What's up, folks? I'm Corey Gerard right here. Wow, this day is so nice. It compels you to just mellow out and be cool. Yep, lovely, so lovely. Yeah, you find that you could get reflective moments in temperatures like this, and it has the perfect breeze too. Look at me, I'm out here bareback. I'm out here flexing my muscles. Look at this. I'm showing more skin than ever before. But I gotta hide from the ladies because I don't want to make any jealous boyfriends or husbands come after me because their ladies are gonna charge into me and try to hug on to this and take as much of me as they possibly can. Those women would be uncontrollable with me like this with the shirt off. Look at me now. I'm flexing. Yeah. Anyway, I can't do it like I once did. We all got to get older. Hey, it might be a few old ladies that charge in on me too, looking for that last fling. Yeah, everything looks nice. Nature is at its best at this time because nature is not being too difficult where it puts down a weathery condition that you do not want to be in, such as a heavy rainy day, a very, very cold day, and a very, very windy day that blows the moment. Yeah, when nature is just right, you can really get into it. I feel like I am one with the very nature right now. Yeah, how nice. Hey, peoples, is it anything going on tonight later on? You can let me know something because back in the day I was a party animal. Oh yeah, I used to get out there and toast the town and put the tall can of beer out of business. So yeah, I am an upperly mobile type of achiever who likes to get around. So peoples out there, let your friend right here know where the parties are at and where the festive events are. With that being said, I'm not no stranger to fun. I like to get out there and do my best. Hey, I'm a life of a party too. You can believe that. And I won't let you get off into any more trouble than you should. So I'm also like a big brother type of dude. Yeah, I'll tell you, look, man, you already had 30 beers, so you don't need another beer with that. I think you well over your limit, man. And ladies too. I like to tell y'all, hey, look, woman, you had about 3 bottles of wine, big bottles at that, so I don't think you should get another one. Look how tipsy you are up in here. Yep, They called me the party animal back in the day. It seemed like yesterday, but it wasn't. Well, folks, I'm gonna go shoot a move.